loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am practicing. So I want to get my wigs to look like the professionals on Instagram, like with the soft wispy baby hairs, just like a complete meltdown, just a perfect slay. So I'm going to be practicing that today, you guys. So I'm starting off with this unit from WowAfrican, and I'm just starting off by removing the lace in the back, and I'm basically going to take you guys through my entire process of me practicing, trying to get the Instagram look. So this unit came bomb, you guys. It came pre-plucked and it came with the knots already bleached. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like, and then I'm going to show you guys how I cut my ear tabs. So I like to cut my ear tabs with the wig off of my head because the wig always comes with this extra lace right here. If you guys can see, like the lace is just chilling on my ear. There's no hair on it. There's nothing on it. It's literally just an extra piece of fabric. And a lot of people like to cut this while it's on your head. But if you don't do it right, you can either cut the hair that you don't want to cut, or you can cut the actual like base of the wig. So I don't like doing that because I've cut the actual wig before. So I take it off and I just cut along the straight line right on the side. Just this little piece right here. I'm going to cut it going straight up, and I'm going to show you guys twice.
Yeah, not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said, just a one-time thing. It won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reason.
So now that the extra fabric is removed, I'm going to go ahead and put it on so I can get a feel for what it looks like with my hairline. And this is a 13x6 hairline, you guys. So these are always a little bit too short for me. Like they never quite reach like my sideburn area. They kind of stop right at the top. So I kind of always have my real sideburns kind of exposed. This is what I'm showing you guys right here. And this is what it usually looks like.
Up at this place, so much of us going to waste. I wish it didn't have to be like that.
So the wig is actually laying really good, but because I don't like losing forehead, like I like to keep my natural hairline shape, I'm going to go ahead like always and part out this little section in the front. I was just measuring when I was lifting it up so I could see where my real hairline is, like where my bald cap is, and then I'm going to pull out the hair right before that, because if I leave this on there, then I'm going to lose that much forehead. So I'm going to go ahead and pin this out of the way, and then I'm going to begin cutting lace.
I can't breathe, yeah. You show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. All I can do now is drink, yeah. Cause I don't wanna remember you. Oh no. Didn't I say you did the wrong?
So now that I have the lace removed, I can show you guys exactly what I mean when I say that the 13x16s are a little bit too short, like they don't reach my sideburn area. I did this ball cap freaking perfect, and I got all of my sideburns in and got it to lay down flat, but you guys can see that it's a little bit too short and some of my ball cap is peeking out of the bottom. So I'm going to have to remove that so I can get it to fit under the wig. So this is rose water, y'all. It was the closest thing that I had to me, and I just sprayed a little bit of rose water on my ball cap, and I'm using the end of my rat tail comb to pick up the part that was still showing. Like if I would have put the wig on top, it would have been showing from underneath. It would have been too long, I mean. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel this up and then remove it. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken.
Now I'm just doing doing a quick application using the clear Got2b glue, guys. And let me just say that this wig looked freaking good without the baby hairs. Like, this would have been a really good no baby hair unit, but I know that I can do no baby hair units, so I wanted to practice my baby hairs. Okay, so for the baby hairs, I've been studying Instagram tutorials from different stylists, you guys, and from what I've seen, you know, they never like really show you the full thing. They just only show you a snippet of how they do it, but they pull out 3 sections of hair for their baby hairs. They pull out one by the ear tabs, one kind of in the middle, and then one closer to the top. They don't pull out like a whole part, like a whole section of the front like I usually do. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pull out my 3 sections on both sides, and then I'm going to cut those for my baby hairs, and then I'm going to begin laying those with the Ledoux Mousse Death, I think that's what it's called.
Time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that. It's still unconscious.
Okay, y'all, so now for these baby hairs. So I did them multiple times. So I just kept doing them over and over until I got them how I wanted them. I only applied the mousse twice because I didn't want to get it too wet, because I didn't want the Got2b glue to start lifting, like for my lace to start lifting up. But I just went ahead, I did it once. This is what me doing it right now. I'm doing it one time. I'm going to shape them and get them how I like them. And then I'm going to tie it down, and then I'm just going to go over them again. I'm going to keep doing them until I get them how I wanted them, basically cutting them shorter each time and plucking them a little more each time and redoing the swoops. But I seen a stylist on Instagram. I can't remember which one, y'all. I follow it kind of a lot. But they said that they do their baby hairs at least twice on their clients, like every time. Like they do them once and then they go over them again and redo them and pluck them and stuff. So I don't feel bad because this is my first attempt. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and keep shaping my baby hairs. And then after this first round, I'm going to tie them down and then do it again.
Who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no words no more.
Y'all, I don't know what I did to this sideburn area. I should have left it thick, but practice makes perfect, y'all. I'm telling y'all, practice, practice, practice. So this is what it looks like after I tied down those set of baby hairs. for about 10 minutes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and scratch them up a little bit, get them all loose so they're flowy and not like melted down into my skin, because I'm going for the flowy look. So I'm just loosening them up a bit, and then I'm just going to go through and begin cutting them again, making them a little bit shorter, and then plucking them, making them a little bit thinner.
Toes, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a hill, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, no, no. We don't know. No words, no more. No words, no more, we don't know. No words, no more, no, no. Yeah. You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your...
So they were still a little bit too thick for me, so I just went ahead and plucked them a little bit more, but then plucking them made them a little bit fuzzy, so I went in one more time with the mousse and tied it down.
Girlfriend's girlfriend, so I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell, so deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry, that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
Okay, so final tie down. I'm going to go ahead and take the scarf off, and then I'm going to go ahead and loosen the baby hairs up again and do just a little bit more cutting.
Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your...
Now I'm going to take this flyaway tamer and get the hair nice and smooth and flat. I'm going to go over it with my brush and then with my pressing comb.
No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
The white cast that you see on that side is because I used too much of the Got to Be Glue gel on that side. So it kind of seeped through and then it dried white because it was too much.
Let me live with you. Let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free. Be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood. baby, buy me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe.
Now I'm going to go over the parting area in the hairline with my foundation, and then I like to take a little bit of bronzer, so I'm using the Black Radiance bronzer and just go along the edge of the hairline area where like the lace meets my skin. I just like it to be like a little bit bronzed right there.
All I want is a night off, all I need is a night off, all I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away.
Now I'm taking a little bit of the flyaway tamer and I'm going to lightly go over the baby hairs because they started to like just float, and I kind of wanted them in place but not like too in place because I still wanted them to be soft and wispy. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped someone out there. I think I did pretty good for my first attempt at this, like, I guess, method. I am going to try it again though, but I love you guys. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell for me, and I will see you in my next one.
There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off, all I need is a night off, all I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off. Take it away, take it away.